If you drive a Subaru Crosstrek, a few smart accessories can make a big difference. From simple upgrades to practical fixes, these Amazon finds are designed to make your Crosstrek more functional, organized, and ready for everyday driving. Let's check out 10 useful Crosstrek accessories worth adding today. Number 10. Center Console Organizer Armrest Hanging Basket Storage Box for Subaru Crosstrek. Number 9. Mud Flaps. Fit for 2024 to 2025. 2026 Subaru Crosstrek. Number 8. Non-hybrid trunk mat. Compatible with 2018 to 2023 Subaru Crosstrek/XV. Number 7. 300 pounds. Lockable roof rack. Crossbars, compatible with Subaru Crosstrek 2018 to 2023. Number 6. Class 3. Trailer hitch, 2-inch receiver. Fits select Subaru Crosstrek. Number 4. Wireless charging protective pad for Subaru Crosstrek 2026, 2025, 2024. Number 3. Torque converter, lock-up solenoid. Compatible with Subaru Crosstrek 2016 to 2019.
Lock-up solenoid. We just got it. As you can see, we're replacing our old one. So this is just a little unboxing for you with my husband.
This is if you have the codes P2763 or P2764 on your Subaru. We have a 2014 Subaru Outback. And so normally from Subaru you cannot replace you can't buy just these solenoids. You have to buy the whole valve body. But this allows you to change this sucker out and hopefully clear that code.
Number 2. 4-pin trailer wiring harness 5604 for 2009 to 2024. Subaru Crosstrek. Number 1. 12-inch rear wiper blade. Replacement generic filter for Subaru Crosstrek. Hey there! Got a suggestion for my next video? Drop it in the comments. Your ideas drive this channel. See you in the comments.
Stay updated on Amazon's best automotive products and viral finds. Click subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss out on our latest video.